Step into a world of limitless possibilities with Glowforge Aura, the craft laser that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Set up anywhere, plug in, and with a click, cut, score, and engrave materials like acrylic, paper, wood, and metals. From drawing to selecting files, watch as the laser weaves magic, creating joyful masterpieces that redefine your space. Bid farewell to traditional photo albums. Glowforge Aura breathes life into your memories, turning any object into a cherished memento with a precision narrower than a hair. Your living space becomes a gallery, every item transformed by the beam of light telling a unique story. Life is a canvas, and Glowforge Aura is the brush. Craft dreams into tangible expressions of joy. The laser dances, bringing visions to life, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, and filling your home with purposeful beauty.